The sun just set and we're actually fishing, jigging right now. El Alex, acá está el tocayo, acá está el tocayo.
Pura vida.
And we can see the screen over there.
Tonight's meal is it's a lobster Baja style with a little ring roasted potatoes, asparagus, and truffle foam. Buen provecho.
Nice.
Thank you.
It looks really good and fancy too. Man, I'm getting spoiled. This is my bedroom. Woo-hoo. No manches. Super freaking fancy. Good morning. The sun's about to come out. And it seems like we're going to have a beautiful day today. We're going to try to target yellowfin tuna today.